Alright guys, this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to react to my cousin new PC. What spec? How can it performs? And what kind of component does it have? Stay tuned in this video and I'll show you right now. We are in front of his house right now, so stay back and watch after this intro. Alright, so like I said, here's the PC spec right here, and the owner is standing in the dark corner right there. If you guys want to check his gaming, I put a link in the description so you guys can check it out. So anyway, wow man, he got the RX 5600 XT paired with an Core i5 with at least, what is this? Core i5 9400F. Is it 6 core?
It's 6 core 12 threads, by the way, with no graphic, Intel HD graphic. So I got a power GPU, so I don't care about
yeah. Oh yeah, let's check this out, man. You look at this bad boy here, even Radeon RX 5600 XT and a FreeSync 2 HDR. I don't know what is this. Fidelity TFS, I don't even know what it is. But hey, if it looks cool, it performs beast with 6GB GDDR6. So, oh, I didn't know there's an overclock edition. Wow, nice. So it's the back. Oh yeah, here's how the card looks like with triple fans, stylish metal backplate, and FreeSync 2 HDR. If you guys want to read this slowly, you can go ahead and pause this video. And yeah, that's it. Oh, there's a system requirement. Go ahead and pause it if you want to read it. So let's move on to the next part. The next part we have this. Oh, this is the casing right here. It's level 20 MT ARGB, man. It's MSI made this, bro. Wow. How much is 5,000? Is it 5,000 ringgit build?
Yeah. 500, yeah.
And what? Oh, this is the motherboard. What does this Wi-Fi stand for?
So it comes with Wi-Fi, so I don't have to buy the dongle. As you can see, if how do I say this? If we buy the if we bought the motherboard, the basic motherboard, you will have to purchase the dongle.
I see. Got an Aura Sync. What is this Aura Sync?
This Aura Sync is for the ARGB.
RGB, just lighter.
Yeah.
So for the final part, we have this
steampunk.
What is this steampunk gold? What is this? Oh, power supply.
Power supply.
Oh, it comes with a whooping around of 650 watts. And what is this? Go ahead and read this. You can pause this. You gonna read this. So, and for the last part, we have this. Oops, sorry. Battery backup. So this, guys, if you guys didn't know, this thing will help your PC stay alive if you have the blackout power shortage, so it kind of save your system from damaging. So all in all, this is a beast PC, guys, with a 5,000 ringgit build, and it's very good. You call it budget, but to me it's a beast already. So I'm gonna end this right here. So guys, that's it. That's the PC build for my cousin. I'm really surprised that he got all the parts that he needs to make a gaming content. So if you guys want to check him out, I send his link in the description. He plays mostly everything. Me and him will play anything casually, including co-ops game mostly. So if you guys want to see the unboxing videos, but it's not gonna be on my channel because it's my cousin's hardware. So you want to see the unboxing videos, link in the description also, or in the comment section. So suggest you guys check it out. and even see him build the PC. Not build, assemble it together. So go ahead and check it out. So if you guys enjoy this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you're new. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.